prisoners in the country's 133 correctional facilities. The 5 days exercise kicked off Tuesday at Naivasha GK prison, with Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe saying the move will spearhead the reopening of all prisons in the country after they were closed due to the public in March last year following the outbreak of the Covid-19 pandemic.
In March 2020, the government stopped all visitations in the prison in a bid to address the spread of coronavirus in the penal institutions that are already congested. But according to the Interior CS Dr. Fred Matiang'i, the process of reopening the prisons for family visitation had kicked off.
Hakika hata kama tumekuwa na shida, tumewapoteza maofisa kama 17 katika prison service kupitia kwa shida hii ya corona. Bado tunamshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu.
Speaking at Naivasha GK prison on Tuesday during the launch of the vaccination exercise for all inmates and staff, the CS ordered that the exercise be completed by Friday this week, saying the closure of the prison had adversely affected the inmates and their families.
Because this is the institution ambayo ilitupea uoga zaidi. Because if this was not managed well, tungepoteza watu wetu sana kwa prison service. Tunatafuta pesa, sort ourselves out. And honestly, this is the only time in the entirety of the prison service history hatujakuwa na shida hizi kubwa kubwa ya chakula na mambo kama hayo. Saa hii, we don't even have a single cent pending bill.
Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe assured the inmates that the vaccines were safe and the government was keen to have all the inmates vaccinated before the prisons were fully reopened for visits by relatives.
You are Kenyans and you are respected like other Kenyans. Ndio sababu tukasema hata hatutawafanya tawale Kenyans wengine, tutamwafanya waruke, kwa sababu kwingineko tunasema 50 years and above, na hapa tunasema hata wewe sio 50.
Kagwe reiterated that the government was targeting to vaccinate over 5.8 million Kenyans by Mashujaa Day.
Mimi nimeshachanjwa. Wale ambao wanasema ati chanjo hili sijui inafanya nini, ati wengine hawazai, wengine hawafanyi nini, mimi nataka kusema wazi, mimi nimechanjwa. Na mimi nasema wazi, mtu anaweza zaa akichanjwa.
Timothy Kipnusu for Prime Edition.